Lists of vitamin vendors. Chapter 1. Buy vitamins at Walmart, drug stores, health stores, or online. Vitamins for sale. Arginmax.com. 800 Stamina. dymaben.com. 877-799 Burn. iron-tek.com. 877 Iron 611. Musclemass.com. 800 Ask Mass. Newpeak.com. 800-600-2069. perfnutrition.com. 800-991-7325. pinnaclebody.com. 800-797-8828. powersesteaminc.com. 800-227-9691. prolab.com. 800 prolab 1. SNS. 800-456-3955. s-senterprises.com. sboutlet.com. 800-372-7008. supplementshack.com. 800-959-2488. thepowerstore.com. 800-382-9611. vital99.com. 800 vital 99. wholesale-nutrition.com. 888-678-4190. Vitamins for sale websites 1. bestvitamins.com. b-naturals.com. botanicchoice.com. Don't forget totakiyourvitamins.com. drugnatural.com. earthclinic.com. evitamins.com. floraleads.com. gevitamins.com. greetarth.com. greetarthvitamins.com. headstartvitamins.com. healthresources.net. health-supplement.biz. icapsvitamins.com. jmsvitaminworld.com. luckyvitamin.com. mega-vitamins.com. musclesurf.com. online-vitamins-shoppe.com. rightwayvitamins.net. seniorlifehealth.com. smartvitamins.com. srhealth.com. staliner.com. superiornutritionandhealth.com. swansonvitamins.com. Vitamins for sale websites 2. vitacost.com. vitadigest.com. vitalbasics.com. vitalchoice.com. 800-608-4825. vital-impact.com. vital-impact.net. vitalzemenzymes.com. vitaminbusiness.com. vitamincircle.com. vitamincottage.com. vitamindepotonline.com. vitaminfax.com. vitaminforlist.com. vitaminia.com. vitaminlab.com. 888-275-8567. vitaminlady.com. vitaminlife.com. vitaminlife.com. vitaminliving.com. vitaminproshop.com. vitamin-resource.com. vitamin-resource.com/herbs. vitamins.allthebrands.com. vitamins.com. 800-221-1152. vitamins.monstermarketplace.com. vitaminsdiary.com/memory-loss.htm. vitamins-health-food-shop.com. vitaminshoppy.com. 888-223-1216. vitamins-supplements.org. vitamins-supplements-store.com. vitaminwomen.com, vitanetonline.com, vitazoUTH.com, vitasprings.com, vitastore.biz, vitaznc.com, 6density.com, 6triapreventivevitamins.com, vivagenhealthproducts.com, Vitamin Companies, adaptogen.com, 800-744-9444, biosourcenutrition.com, 800-206-2006, botaniclab.com, 800-242-5555, desertsense.com, 888-476-8647, Holistic Dental Care Products, graminex.com, 877-472-6469, great-eastern-sun.com, 800-334-5809, larex.com, 800-386-5300, livingtreecommunity.com, 800-260-5534, natural.com, 800-326-1520, needs.com, 800-634-1380, pepworld.com, 800-624-4260, sciencebasedhealth.com, 888-433-4726, triplealeaf-tea.com, 800-552-7448.